Simple speech. It is also important when spreading the word of Islam to avoid unnecessary complicated terms and flowery speech. This challenges the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, who confirmed, in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 1167, that he was gifted with comprehensive speech. This means his words were to the point but contained an ocean's worth of knowledge. Similar to this attitude is when people purposely discuss less significant issues which can cause divisions in society. Some adopt this method in order to stand out from others, but this is a misguided attitude, as the duty of a Muslim who spreads the word of Islam is to discuss more significant issues with the aim to strengthen society. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.